Hello everyone, very good afternoon all of you. How are you all? Good afternoon. All are fine. Yes, so here we are practicing West Bengal set question paper. This is the free course for MCQ practice for upcoming all the exam. KSET, West Bengal set, MP set, UGC net, whatever exam you are preparing. This course, this class will be helpful for you. So already I have taken some few classes already from KSET also and West Bengal set also. You can watch that recording. And now do this question, solve this question everyone. Tell me what will be the answer for this question. These are very good quality question. Set papers are always required to solve for whatever UGC NET you are preparing, other state exam you are preparing. Try to cover all the states, all the other state set question paper, right? Yes, very good quality. Tell me what will be the answer for this one. Who can tell me quickly? Yes, good evening, good evening. Is evening or afternoon? I am also don't know. Okay, maybe afternoon or maybe whatever. Good afternoon, good evening. So tell me what is the answer ultimately. I can see all are here present. Okay, answers are coming. Option A. Option A. Let's see. Yes, so option A is the correct answer. Yes. So here what it is. Here you can see that R1 is A, B, C and R2 is C, D, E. How to check lossless or lossy? There is the rule that R1 intersection R2 implies R1 minus R2. R1 intersection R2 implies R1 minus R2 or R1 intersection R2 implies R2 minus R1. Any of them has to be satisfied. So here you can see this C is the R1 intersection R2. What is the value? R1 intersection R2 is C. So C implies R1 minus R2. R1 minus R2 is, from R1 you have to minus the common. How to do? The first part minus the common part, that is. So ABC minus common part, that is C, that's why it is AB. And R2 minus R1 will be CDE minus C, that is DE. So that's why either C implies AB or C implies DE has to be satisfied. Any one of them has to be satisfied. Now here the dependency is not given, ma'am. How to identify? From the table you have to identify that this dependency is coming or not. From this table only you have to identify. Here you can see that how I can identify. This is C. C is actually, there is no duplicate. When there is no duplicate, then no need to check. When I am implies that X implies Y, if in the X there is no duplicate, then definitely it will be always hold. If there is any duplicate value, then always for that same values in the Y also there should be the same value should be repeated. But here there is no duplicate, that's why no problem. This one will also hold, this one will also hold. That's why the decomposition is lossless, because it is satisfying R intersection R1 intersection R2 implies R1 minus R2, or this both is satisfied. That's why this is your answer. Now tell me what is the answer for this one. This is coming on my spec. I will switch off this. Which of the following memories are not possible? Quickly do the answer. Yes. Here option B is the correct answer because here whenever 2 to the power n bit means I can make 2 to the power n number of cell. So 2 to the power 9 means I can do 512 number of cell. Using 9 bit I cannot create 1024 cell. This is not possible. Using 10 bit, here it is, this one is not possible, that's why it will be not. Here using 10 bit 1024 cells it is possible. But this is not possible, that's why this is not your answer, right? Which is not possible. This one is not possible here. Now see that. Tell me. Do this one. Parallel algorithm are executed on. Where we are executing parallel algorithm. Yes. So here these are the different types of instructions and data stream: SIMD, MISD, SIMD and MIMD. SIMD means single instruction, single data. Multiple instruction, single data. Single instruction, multiple data. Multiple instruction, multiple data. Right? These are the different strategies. So that's why your answer will be what? Definitely your answer is which one? Parallel algorithm are executed on. Definitely not SIMD. Not this one because SISD is not. SIMD and MIMD both, because here also we are doing multiple instruction, single data. SIMD, MIMD multiple instruction, multiple data in MIMD, and SIMD single instruction. Here this is also parallel computer and this is also required parallel computers. So MIMD multiple computer and multiple processor, that's why this is also parallel. So your answer should be option D, right? Now tell me, a stack organized computer has. A stack organized computer has what? What type of instruction? Stack organized, what type of instruction? Definitely this is zero address instruction. Stack organized is definitely zero address instruction. There are different zero address, one address, two address and three address, but stack organized is zero address instruction. Now tell me for this one, what is the answer for this one? I'm not getting answer. What happened? Why I am not getting answer? Give your answer. Consider the following. Student relation number and marks is given here. So roll number and marks. Assume that SQL, we are running this SQL. The final output after running this SQL, what will be the final output? Answer. Yes, here your answer will be 77.5, because what we are doing? Update student set marks equals to marks plus 10. I am doing marks equals to marks plus 10 here. After that, select average marks from the student. Means actually for each and every value I am going to add 10. First of all, I will update the value. I will add 10 here. First add 10. You are getting here 65, 75, 80, 90. After that you are doing average, that you are going to show here output. So you are doing average here. What is the total here? 5, 5, 10. You are getting here. Now 9, 10, 18. After that 18, then 19, 20, 25, 30, 31, 310. Right? So 310 divide by 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide by 4. 310 divide by 4 means this is 77.5. Yes. So that's why your answer is coming 77.5. This is your answer. Got it? First updated all the value. Then after that doing average. That's why your answer is this one. Now tell me, what will be the answer for this? Limitation of Sutherland-Hodgman polygon clipping algorithm. These are one-liner question also. Definitely make your one-liner notebook. This type of questions are directly you can make one-liner notebook. One-liner notebook will be very, very important before your exam to do revision. And it will give you a good score also in exam hall. Yes. Here your answer is limitation of Sutherland-Hodgman polygon clipping algorithm is main limitation, generate extra edge for concave shape concave shapes for the subject polygon. So that's why your answer is this one. This is computer graphics question. Now it is a conceptual question, very conceptual question, and highly demand means question. You need to understand that how to do the synchronization problem. This is the synchronization problem of operating system. From here the question came. Read the question, after that tell me what will be the answer. How to understand mutual exclusion but progress or not. It is mutual exclusion or not. It is progress or not. How to understand that. Do it. Those who are watching, if you don't want to like, you can dislike. If you don't like that, you can let me know in the comment section also that why you don't like, how I can improve myself. What is your expectation? And if you like, then like the session and let me know your comment section also. After the class, come back here and let me know in the comment section that why you like this session. Okay. Yes. Bharti, Priya, Shiri, Susma, Reshma, Sai, Suganya, Vanita, Muthulakshmi, Ashok, Shumona, Sakti, Indira, Ravi Selvi. Answer. I am not getting answer. Yes. For this type of question is operating system process synchronization question. The answer of this question is mutual exclusion but not progress. Now how to understand it? See that. Here there are P1 and P2, two process. What is called mutual exclusion? Mutual exclusion means at a time one process can enter into the critical section. At a time both should not work. When P1 is working in critical section, then P2 cannot work. When P2 is working in critical section, then P1 cannot work. This is called mutual exclusion. Now what is progress? Progress means if P1 is not interested and P2 is interested, then P2 should get the chance. It should not be like dependency. If P1 has to execute fast, after that only P2 will get chance. That this type of dependency should not be there. Like always I am taking that example for the progress in my PET class, that it is like mess culture means PG. When we are, or your hostel, when you are staying in hostel, there is only one washroom, maybe 4 members is sharing that room. Now every morning it is a habit like that, everyone have to go to washroom, have to go to take their bath and all. After that class is there, right? Now it was in our hostel also this rules was there. Before going to sleep at night only we was dividing the slot. Okay, this 6 am slot is for you, 6:20 for you, 6:40 for you, like that slot was given. But if someone is not interested, maybe at 6 am another one is sleeping, I don't want to go, I will not go to school, college today, I don't want to go to washroom today. Maybe it was the slot for P1. P1 is not interested to go to washroom. So it does not mean that P1 is not going, that's why remaining P2, P3, P4 is not getting chance. Okay, P1 is not interested, that's okay, then P2 will go. If it is like dependency, P1 has the key and that key P1 is passing to P2, then only P2 will get the chance. Now P1 is sleeping and P1 is not going, that's why P2, P3 anyone is not getting chance, then it is called not progress. This type of dependency should not be there. Now here what is happening, see that. Here there are two variables and in this synchronization problem the semicolons are very important role. Here is also semicolon, here is also semicolon. This semicolon playing a very important role. Normally whenever I am writing while loop, here I am writing any condition, after that I am writing body, right? Means here there is no semicolon. Then only if this while condition true, then it is coming to body. After that again it is checking the condition. But after the while loop, as we are doing here semicolon, that means this will be in a loop, infinite loop. Whenever this condition is true, it will check again and again. It will not enter to the critical section. Whenever the condition is false, then only this is entering to the critical section. This is the game of the process synchronization problem. Here also whenever this condition is true, it is going again and again in loop. Whenever this condition is false, then it is coming out from this loop and this is the critical section. So now you have to understand when P1 is executing and when P2 is executing. This concept you need to understand. See that P1 will execute when this is S1 equals to S2, then it is actually true. When it is false, then P1 will execute. Means when S1 not equals to S2, then actually P1 will execute. And P2 is executing when it is not equals to, then it is true. Means P2 is executing actually when S1 equals to S2, then P2 will get the chance in critical section. So it is just opposite rule. At a time in critical section, either when it is not equals to, then P1 is getting chance. When it is equals to, then P2 is getting chance. This both condition is completely opposite condition. That's why it is satisfying mutual exclusion. To check the mutual exclusion, always you have to check, is there same condition? If P1 also going with S1 equals to S2, then it can enter. As this is both opposite condition, that's why it is satisfying mutual exclusion. Now the problem is that progress. Now for the progress, what is happening? See that. Always in this problem we have to think what is the starting condition. There should be some starting condition, starting status, right? What is the value of S1 and S2? Maybe S1 value is also 0 now and S2 value is also 0 now. It is the initial value. Means what is happening? Means actually it is happening that, or maybe initially S1 value is 0 and S2 value is 1. This is my initial value. Means actually S1 not equals to S2. In this situation, who will get the chance? P1 will get the chance. Now, maybe P1 is not interested, P1 is sleeping. I don't want to go to the critical section, I am not interested. But P2 is waiting, P2 wants to go. But P2 is not able to go because the condition is S1 not equals to S2. To enter into the critical section, P2 need S1 equals to S2. Who will change this value? Only this value is changed by P1 when P1 will execute this code. But P1 is not executing, P1 is not interested. That's why this value, this line is not executed. That's why this is not changing. And although P2 is interested, P2 is not able to run the critical section. That's why it is not progress. This is very important. Most of the time, this type of question students are not able to understand. What is this? How to understand not progress? This is the issue. P2 is interested. Actually, the sequence they maintain that P1, after that P2. Then again P2 is making S1 not equals to S2. Then after P2 again P1 is getting chance. Means P1 is making this S1 equals to S2. Then it is handover to P2. P2 is making S1 not equals to P2. Then it is handover to P1. This handover is going on by 1 to 1. As this handover means P1 will hand over, then only P2 will get chance. P2 will hand over, then only P1 will get chance. This dependency is there. As this dependency is there, that's why it is not progress. Got it? Is that clear to everyone? Those who are watching the class, let me know it is clear or not. And you are getting interest or not. Every day I am trying to give you some different types of question. I am not coming with those questions that is there is no concept directly, direct question. Very easy type of question I will show and I will go from the class. I am not doing like that. I am trying to focus on so that with the question your concept will be clear. That is my target. Always my target is that with the question your concept should be clear. So I hope your concept is clear. Each and every concept, less is more. We will not go for more question. We will do less question, less number of question, but quality question. I will show you the different quality question, different types of question. With this quality question, your concept will get clear, and from one question you can understand so many things, and you can solve this type of multiple question. Right? Yes. Now do this. Another question, this is from TOC. Different subject I am asking you. First question we did it from DBMS, next question we did it from computer architecture, next question we did it from operating system. Now this is from TOC. Now do it. Which statement is not correct about the finite automata M? See the image very carefully. After that, do the answer. Those who are not able to understand, not progress for the previous question, I will request try to watch again. First time maybe you are not able to understand. Second time watch the recording again. You will be able to understand definitely. Okay, Ashok. Yeah. Those who are not able to understand, it is very tricky topic. I clearly explain. I explain very clearly. But as you are learning for the first time, that's why maybe you are getting that doubt. This doubt will be clear when you are listening 2 to 3 times. Same thing, try to listen for this question only. Whatever I have explained, explanation is okay. There is no problem. But problem is happening as you are doing for first time. That's why you are getting that issue. So it is my request. Again, pause the video and watch again. Try to observe what is happening. Each and every line, whatever I told, try to listen to that. Again pause it. Again try to understand. Then again play the video. Again try to understand. Then definitely after 3 to 4 times watching that part, definitely it will be clear to you. Okay? So invest your time little bit. This is a little bit tricky, different types of topic. That's why your 3 to 4 times observation is required. Try to observe, you will get it definitely. Okay. Yes. So for this question, your answer is does not accept null string by, because you can see it is actually A, B. Okay. This is actually taking A, B both. Which one is not correct? You are not focusing on the not. Very carefully always remember. For this type of question, read question very carefully, then do the answer. Always read question very carefully, then do the answer. Take your time, read it properly, then mark your answer. Otherwise, definitely mistake will be happen. Yes. This is the mistake. How many of you did that mistake? In the question, it is given that which one is not correct. But automatically your mind is telling always which one is correct. And that's why you are trying to find out the correct answer. That is the problem. Here it is accepting AB whole star. It is accepting actually AB whole star. AB whole star means it is accepting epsilon also. Right? This is accepted epsilon also. But here it is given which one is not correct. M does not accept the null string. This is not correct. It is accepting null string. This is correct. It is DFA. This is correct. It is accepted over AB. This is correct because it is A plus B whole star. Whole star means epsilon is accepted, A accepted, B accepted, AB accepted, BA accepted, everything. Right? So be careful always, and always remember, if I ignore the not in the question, then I have to see not qualified. Be ready for that. Always I am telling the students, you have to be very careful about the not in the question. If I ignore the not in the question, then I have to see not qualified in my result. In the question, not, incorrect, false, these are the trap. You have to be always serious about that trap. Because of this mistake, maximum time 10 to 20 marks students are missing because of this blunder mistake and overlooking. Just overlooking this not. Be careful. Okay. ठीक है. चलो. For now, for today it is done. Tomorrow again we will meet. And those who are interested about practicing question, MCQ, more practice question every day regularly, more time you want to invest with me, they can join this paid course. Here in this paid course, every day regularly classes are going on. This is the computer science December batch. In this batch, all the classes are going on. You can watch the previous classes recording. And daily I am taking morning and evening both session. Morning session I am allocating for mainly concept, and evening session I am allocating for practice. So if you want to do practice with poll and more PYQs, MCQ and this type of different PYQs and MCQ, and you want to learn concept in depth, you want to download PDF, you want to practice test series, then this course is for you. Here all the options are available: 1 month, 2 month, 3 months, 6 months. Our course will end in the month of January as per UGC NET exam date. So as per your requirement, you can go for this planning where you will get everything. This is complete means complete. Concept is there, PYQs is there, MCQ is there, test series is there, doubt clearing also there, group discussion also there. Everything is there in a single course. It is complete means complete. Other than that, you can download your PDF, free PDF from the free courses. Here in this content, I have uploaded the free PDF, and you can attempt the free mock test from here. This is the free mock test where you are getting PYQs topic wise and the full length. All the PYQs, this is free of cost for you. So install Unify Study app, and after that start practicing this question free of cost. At least utilize the free of cost test series. That is definitely helpful for you when you are practicing MCQ, PYQs more. Then your time bound practice and your level of understanding will also increase. Okay. Thank you. Bye. See you again tomorrow.